Huh? They're closed. Alright guys, we're gonna switch out the blow-off valve on the Evo. Right now I just have the stock one. We're gonna be putting on the Turbosmart. We're gonna be putting this one on right here. We're just gonna switch the spring out. We're gonna get it started over there. Dang, like it's dirty.
I know.
Pop. Sheesh. Got the ETS intake. He's got the Recaros. He got the real deal. Got that shifter. He's got these RPF ones. Sheesh. What? Yeah. It's been. Looks like it's been used before. Might as well.
Is that the 3-in-1 you're talking about?
Huh?
Is that the 3-in-1? It's not the right one, but we'll see.
You guys gotta use a lube for that piston right there. Putting the piston back in.
Did you clean this part?
No, I didn't clean that part at all.
Man's way.
Alright guys, so before you put the spring back on, you gotta make sure you clean it. And that's what I didn't do. So right now, we're just gonna clean it. Gotta clean the all the ports, all of them. Right here.
Yeah, speak up.
Pepe's gonna go ahead and clean it. Am I not talking loud enough? What do you mean?
Hell, they sound like you're whispering.
Really?
Yeah, it sounds like inside of there, and if it's dirty, you see all the little scratches in here?
Yeah.
All those little marks that are in there is because of dirt. So over time, it just builds up in your blow-off valve. So you want to clean it about every 3 months or so on that part. But you want it nice, shiny. Just use some brake cleaner on it, spray it in there, get it nice and clean, and then you want to lube it up after.
Yes. Jeez, you're good. Yeah, unscrew all of them.
No comí frijoles. Right.
Huh.
What's going on over here?
No, we're trying to take this off.
Take what off?
Like those two, yeah.
They just twist off.
They just twist off, yeah.
They ain't gonna twist off. I'll tell you that.
They do. Where?
No cap.
That's what you just said?
What if I bend it?
That's fine.
Yeah. It's not gonna bend. Yeah, that's wrong.
Sure. It's not gonna come off.
Come on.
Who is it? But, no, honestly, it's not gonna.
That's not gonna come off unless you like.
Come off.
If you clamp it. But
No, it's not, I've taken it off before, but.
What do you take them off for?
Huh?
What do you take them off for?
What, I take them off for?
Why do you want to take it off?
To clean it.
Just get a Q-tip in there. You want a Q-tip?
No, but you want to make sure it's all clean.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it doesn't matter.
Is
FRS.
that right?
Can you see it?
Oh, I got it.
I loosened it for you.
No, you didn't.
I basically just loosened it and that's... Come on.
You try it?
Ah. This way, right?
Yeah. Lefty loosey. Sheesh.
It's too easy. I'm telling you, I already
How
listened.
come you didn't get it before?
No, because I didn't want to.
There you go.
Look at all that.
Yeah, that's how I'll do it. Wiggle.
You put your dog?
Duh. I see people do it all the time.
No.
And they get views. So if I don't get views off these dogs, that means they're ugly. Lila, come here. Come here. Let's go, Lila. Ah, she don't. Alright, after you clean it, you just lube it up with some oil. And then just slide everything back in. I got my mechanic here.
You gotta make sure it goes up and down.
I'm gonna see.
Do you want play or do you not want play?
You want plate. So that's what opens it. Can you?
Are you recording?
Yes.
So old spring.
That's the oil spring. So out the window.
Where's the window?
Jeez. I need a fart. Huh? Looky. Hey, Lila. Sheesh. What do you have yours at? Like the tight, super tight? So here we got his Turbosmart. He's already got the spring on there. We're just trying to see. Right there. Yeah. Do they come like? Did you paint yours?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's yeah. I was like,
Don't focus on the details.
and here we're just gonna take the sock one off. Put that one on. So you just got that one screw on the top, and then one at the bottom. It's easier than it looks. Cause that, and then it has that one.
Did you already mess with this?
No way.
Loose.
Cause your clamps are not even on your blow valve.
Sheesh.
Is your rattling noise?
My rattling noise? I think it's a rattling noise, just a rod. Sheesh. That's all I do.
I mean, I'm not trying to sound like that to you.
I was gonna put it back in.
Yeah. Uh oh. Oh, I thought it came loose. Oh fuck. Uh oh. Uh oh. Oh.
Is that it?
Yeah. Pretty easy, huh?
Did you tighten the bottom one too with the
Yeah.
little pliers?
Yeah.
Alright. Seems sturdy now. Do you need clips? I think I spare clips.
Huh?
You need clips?
Yeah, awesome.
Alright, let me check. Here, let me stop it.
I got clips over here. Yeah.
Not the right size.
Oh, never mind, never mind. Yeah, clips over here. Looks like when you're done. Just ignore that piece right there. Huh? Yeah, which ones? Whoa. These right?
If you want, so I have one bigger one, but two that are identical.
We'll try like the bigger one.
Try them all. Try them all. See if they fit, then you're chilling.
Hmm.
You got two little.
There's no other way. Oh, right here. Got a hammer right here. Oh, what the heck? This one's so weird. It has like this thing right here. That's weird.
It's like sealed.
And then like it has like the piston, like the.
What type is it like? What type of piston is it? Like a eagle piston or what?
I know it's okay. That's weird, huh?
You just press them down. No, don't do that.
Why not? So I don't even fit. Yeah.
You know what? You don't need clips there.
I don't need clips, huh? I gotta go like another year without them.
Car when you rattle it out.
Sheesh.
I'm gonna go ride anyway soon.
How are you gonna pull them out?
Fuck. You guys wanna see a rod blowout? Let me know. It might happen soon. I don't know when, but it's gonna happen soon.
Are you just fired up now then, or what?
Huh? Yeah? It's locked. Yeah. Fish. Woo! Okay. Prepared.
Tell me if that's what